A few of my viewers tell me I'm the only channel that talks about the comfort and fit of Galaxy earbuds the most. Thanks to all their suggestions, I'm going to compare the comfort and fit of the Buds 2 versus the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in this video. To me, the fit and comfort of any true wireless earbuds are more important than anything else. If we can't get a comfortable fit and tight seal, there is no point talking about all the other features like active noise cancellation, 24-bit audio and so on. Because all of the sound is going to leak, and we can't comfortably wear the earbuds for long. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. So after I unboxed the new Buds 2 Pro, the first thing I did was to check out the ear tips. And yes, Samsung has redesigned the ear tips on the Buds 2 Pro altogether. These are the original ear tips that comes out of the boxes. The Buds 2 ear tip is wider on the sides, and the Buds 2 Pro tips is a lot more spear-headed and slightly softer. The inner core is still as big as the previous Buds 2 ear tips though. If you had watched my previous Buds 2 video, you would know why I changed the Buds 2 ear tips that came out of the box to my Soundcore ear tips. Yes, they are interchangeable across different brands. So what about the Buds 2 Pro? Well, they appear to be the same size. And yes, it fits. However, even though the Soundcore ear tips are my favorite ear tips and they fit, it doesn't really look right. This is where I noticed the Buds 2 Pro doesn't have a lot of stem, just like the first generation Buds Pro. Anyway, given Samsung has redesigned the ear tips of the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, I'm gonna give them a chance and try out all the sizes to see which one fits me comfortably. I'll see you in a couple of days. Okay, I'm happy to report that the Buds 2 Pro redesigned ear tips are very good. Even though the Buds 2 Pro doesn't have a lot of stamp, the spear-headed design of the tips extend them into the ear to provide a good seal, unlike the previous first generation Buds Pro. These Buds 2 Pro ear tips are as comfortable as my favorite Soundcore ear tips. I think it's because they are softer this time round compared to the previous Buds 2 ear tips. I'm currently using the small size, and these are the size comparisons between the Buds 2 and the Buds 2 Pro ear tips. For the last couple of days of use, I can say the sound quality is really good. This is coming from someone who has used the Buds 2 for the last 9 months. I find the sound quality of the Buds 2 Pro is slightly better than the Buds 2. Only slightly, because the Buds 2 quality is already very good. What I did was I enabled music sharing on my phone, and I wear a different earbud on each side to hear their difference. They are really close, and sometimes I feel the bass of the Galaxy Buds 2 is a little stronger than the Buds 2 Pro. Not believing this, I went in to make sure the equalizer settings for both of them are set to the same settings. And I went in to the media output to make sure they are both at the same volume. And I even did a fit test to make sure I have good fit for my Buds 2 Pro. But still, the bass on the Buds 2 Pro is weaker than the Buds 2. After that, I tried replacing the small size ear tips to medium size. And whoa! There it is, I got the bass. Yes, they have powerful bass and definitely more bass than the Buds 2. So I did a fit test again. And both the small and medium sizes ear tips show good fit for my ears. But I'm pretty sure the bass is leaking when I wear the small size ear tips. Anyway, I'm happy with the medium size now. And by the way, the mids and highs are a lot clearer in the Buds 2 Pro compared to the Buds 2, after I replaced it with the medium-sized ear tips. And during these 2 days, while I was using them, I noticed a few changes to the wearable app. For the new Buds 2 Pro, the ambient sound is either on or off. We can no longer adjust how much ambient sound to let through, like we can in the Buds 2. Given I've only used it for a couple of days, I suspect I haven't found a perfect fit for this Galaxy Buds 2 Pro yet. I made this video quickly because I know a lot of you wanted me to talk about the comfort and fit of these Galaxy Buds. I'm going to test them more for the next few weeks before I give you my verdict of how good they are. In case you are wondering, this entire video is shot using my new Galaxy Z Fold 4. Well, except this part, where the Z Fold is in the video. If you are new here, welcome! On my channel, I review tech gears I use for myself. Subscribe now, and I hope you find this video useful. You take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!